everybody, what's up? It's your girl Shruti and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my heatless overnight curls. I know this video has been super requested and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So yeah, hopefully you guys will love it. Make sure you watch it till the end. And before we get started, I quickly wanted to do a review about the Daniel Wellington watches. I've been wearing them for a month now. So let's see, are Daniel Wellington watches good? And yeah, let's get started. First of all, can we take a moment to appreciate the packaging? It's so simplistic yet elegant and chic, and it has Daniel Wellington engraved on it in gold color. So first we have the Daniel Wellington Classic Petite Ashfield in 32mm dial. I love the matte black mesh strap on it and gold accent on the dial. Next we have Daniel Wellington Classic Bracelet in rose gold and it has Daniel Wellington engraved on it. This bracelet looks so classy paired with Daniel Wellington watches. And lastly we have Nito strap in Petite Dover to switch up the look. I love how we can just switch the straps and get a whole different look without buying a new one. Petite Dover strap also has gold accent on it, so it goes very well with my watch dial. We also have this envelope that contains owner's guide, and this booklet has all the information about the watch, like how to adjust the strap, how to change it, everything you need to know about the watch will be in it. So definitely take a look at that. We also get a tool that helps us with strap adjustment, so let's see how we can do that. When you'll get the watch, it will be loose at first and it's super easy to adjust that. Just take the thick end of the tool and use some force to open it. After that, just slide it up or down and adjust it to your liking and use the tool again to close it. That's it. You don't need to go to Daniel Wellington store or any other watch store to get it fixed. You can do it all by yourself, which is amazing. We can also change the strap. So let's change it to Petite Dover. For that, we'll use the thin or narrow end of the tool and push the screw in. The strap will come off. I have put the screw back in using the same tool and now let's put the strap on. And that's it. Super simple, right? But a whole new look, and this is how it looks like. Overall, I really like Daniel Wellington watches. The quality is really good and they complement my outfits really well. Let's get started with the tutorial. Now I'm working with day 3 hair over here, but you can do this on freshly washed hair as well. I like to do this on day 3 or day 4 hair when my hair starts to get flat on the roots. Next I'm using a tangle teaser to detangle my hair. This is amazing. It's super gentle on the curls and does not tug on the hair. My mother got it for free when she bought the hair extension, so that's great. Always start from the bottom and work your way towards the top. This is just day 3 hair, so detangling is a little easy compared to when you don't detangle it for a week straight. That just feels like brushing dreadlocks, to be honest. It's super matted. So I like to comb it in between and do this method, so when I wash it on day 6, it's not super tangled. And it's good for the scalp as well. Once you're done detangling, go ahead and damp your hair. It should not be soaking wet, but damp. And give it a brush one more time. I'm gonna repeat the same on other side as well. Once the hair is nice and detangled, apply a leave-in cream. You can use any. I'm using Fix My Curls Stay Cream. My hair has grown super long, so I'm using 2 pumps, but you can use 1 depending on the length of your hair, and rake it in. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Next, for gel, I'm using Fix My Curls Glaze and rake that in as well. I'm using a tail comb to part my hair, but you can use a pen as well. First, do a middle parting. Then we are going to do a diagonal parting. Start from middle towards the end of crown section and then again towards the middle, creating a triangle. Secure it so we can start working on the first section. Always keep gel on back of your hand and apply a little on the top so it does not get frizzy. Usually baby hairs lift up and starts to look frizzy. This will make sure it looks nice and sleek. Next, pick up a triangle chunk and divide it into 2 sections. Now cross the first section over the second section. Then add some hair to the second section and cross it over the first section. And you're going to keep repeating the same till you reach the back. I already have a detailed video about the 2-strand braid on my channel. You can check that out as well. It's super easy and simple. Also, if you want to do 3-strand braid instead of 2, you can do that as well. I find this one easy. Make sure you keep the braid nice and tight because throughout the day it will loosen up. Once you reach the back, just braid it like a normal 3-strand braid till the end. You can secure the end with a hair tie, but I like to braid it till the end so it stays put. Next, use some more gel to secure the end as well as apply to the lens as well. Now just repeat the same all throughout. Keep these braids for good 2 days as it's a great protective hairstyle while working out and it looks good as well. But you can keep it overnight and open it in the morning. The longer you keep, the better it will turn out. And this is how it looks like. When you're ready, open the braids slowly. Be gentle, don't create frizz. Now Now the results from this method is really different from my natural curl pattern, which is good because then I get to work with different types of curls and get a different look without using heat. This is great for girls who are transitioning from straight hair to natural curls. Also great for girls who have straight hair but want to try out curls without damaging their hair. And the best part is you don't need any rollers or straws or any equipment to get these curls. Go ahead and fluff your hair near the roots for volume and scrunch out the crunch if you have any. This will last you for a day if you have straight hair and 2 days if you have textured hair. This look is very similar to Katrina Kaif's look in Bharat but without using any heat. Also look at the length. Because of waves, it also gives length to my hair. That's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video and the results, don't forget to mention it in the comments down below. I would love to know. And if you recreate this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to repost it and look at the results. Also, I love Daniel Wellington watches. I love the watch and the bracelet. It looks really good and goes very well with my aesthetic. Any clothes I wear, this goes really well. And if you want to get your hands on the Daniel Wellington watch, then don't forget to use my code SAMEEN to get 15% off, which is a really great deal. So yeah, definitely check it out. It will be on the screen as well. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the bell notification, do all that good stuff, and the comment shout out goes to Amisha Pradhan. Amisha, thank you for commenting on my video. It really makes a lot of difference. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.